Okay, what I have here is a grandfather clock from the 1830s. Let me go up here and show you. Here's the top. It's got a square crown. Let me open this up here. Now this is a brass and copper dial. It's got two winding arbors. This dial did not originally come with this clock. As you can see, there's an extra hole. And these spots here is where it used to connect to the old movement. Sit around here. Close this up. Now on the bottom here, the weights, over the years the weights have been lost, so they're replaced with new weights. The clock runs and keeps good time. And as you notice at the bottom, there's splits in the wood. On every grandfather clock I've seen, it's just old. They all do the same thing. I don't think the glues they used in the old days were that great. And also, it shrinks and swells over the years. But other than that, it's an oak grandfather clock. It's got the original key. Let me go around the side here. And look, the case is in really good shape. It looks like it's been refinished somewhere over time. Go down at the bottom here. There's the back. Go back to the front. Now this is in my basement. It's not the best place to display a clock, but I have your room upstairs. It strikes on the hour on a bell. It keeps very good time. And it is for sale. Thank you.